This is the solar DC pump controller user manual. This is for BLDC motor. And then before you operate the solar DC pump controller, you must read the user manual carefully. This is the DC pump controller data sheet, and then there are two models, HBD DC 350 and HBDC 1500, the two models, and support the different pumps, and the voltage must be more than configure solar panel working voltage must more than motor's voltage and less than max the VOC voltage. And then this IP65 waterproof, and this is the protections for the solar pump. DC pump controller, solar DC inputs over voltage, solar DC inputs anti-reverse, battery no voltage over voltage protection, output freeze loss, the output short circuit, output overcurrent, input overload, over temperature, water overflow of tank by sensor, water well empty by sensor or by software. And this is the inverter controller size and the weight. There is some cable on this, and this is the meaning. Solar inputs, this is the two scopes, solar inputs or battery inputs. This is for Earth, UVW for connector pump, and well sensor and tank sensor. This solar inputs, each stream must be same quantity and the same voltage, and the solar panel configuration must according to the pump controller voltage and the pump's voltage to design. And tank sensor, the L and M and the parallel together, and H is another cable. This is low level connect to the pump, middle level connect to the middle of pump, high level connect to the pipe. This is the parameters pressed down K several times. You can see the controller's status, the solar input, outputs, and the running status, and input the password 1000, and you can go to the setting menu to check the working time, PV no power, dry run, tank, bore, time calibrate, time password, power input, remote control, and factory reset. This special password for another setting, MPPT setting, parent coefficient setting, polar pairs sets, and max input power, max output currents, and the max running speed, fan run mode, battery voltage set, and battery type set. Or more setting, you can read this manual, look at the manual, and to follow the manual to the correct setting. Power setting, power pairs setting, and max speed. Normally, before you bought pump and controller from us, and you don't need you to set this. And the battery type, battery must be same as the pump's the voltage. This is the power running time record. Next, this. Thank you.